Hi, welcome back to the Python exercise series. In this series, this is the fifth exercise wherein we are going to check whether the user input character is a digit or a alphabet. So let's proceed with this exercise. The very first thing is we have to take the user input and we will ask user to input a character. Once the user inputs the character, we will verify the length of the character. So if it is a single character, then we can identify that it's a digit or a alphabet. If it has a length more than one, then it is a string, right? So it is a combination of certain characters then. Therefore, we will say user that input a single character. That would be a warning and we will end the program there itself. So the very first thing is we have to verify the length of the user input. If it is equals to 1, then we will perform the further actions to solve this exercise. Otherwise, we will say user that he should input a single character. Now, if it contains one character, we will verify whether the user input is digit. If it is a digit, we will say that the input is a digit. If it is not a digit, in that case, we will have to verify. We will have to verify whether it is a alphabet, right? And for that, we will again perform another check wherein we will check whether it is a alphabet. If it is a alphabet, we will print that the input is a alphabet. Otherwise, we will say user that the input character is neither digit or alphabet. So our program is now complete. Let us execute it. I'm going to input 1. So it says that the input is a digit. If I pass any alphabet letter, it says that this input is a alphabet. Let us pass the uppercase alphabet letter. So it says that the input is a alphabet once again. If I pass anything else, let's say the special character, it says that the input character is neither a digit nor alphabet. Now let us give another input wherein I am passing more than one alphabet. So it will return us the message stating that your input contains more than one character.